In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to delete all the metadata in a Microsoft Word file. Metadata may include author name and other information like that. So first, go to the File tab in the Microsoft Word document and click Info. Here, open the Inspect document window and select all the things that you want to delete. Now click the Inspect button. Now you will see the data available in the document. And if you want to delete everything, click the Remove All button. Now close the window and you will see that the author information is deleted. I'll show you the second method and probably the easier method. Click on the file, Word file you want to delete the metadata and go to the properties. Click the Details tab and you can see all the metadata information here like the author name. Now click Remove Properties and Personal Information and it will open up a window like this. Click the Remove the following properties from this file radio button and select all to delete all the data and click OK. Now you can see the author information is deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.